And I'd like to share with you a rolling bridge, more in a dynamic style, and also noticing the stabilizers in our body, which can be essentially mobilizing the spine if we are constantly going up and down dynamically in and out of bridge pose, Setu Bandhasan, or if we were to be holding the position, suspending the pelvis, that could move more into stabilizing and strengthening the core as well as the glutes, the legs for that period of time when we are suspended. So lying on your back on a cushioned surface, and preferably with no support under the head, because we're going to go into extension in a moment, so you don't want to constrict the throat. And arms either out to the side, which is compared to if arms are here, this is going to be a little bit more supportive. But when the arms move further away from the body or even out to the side or higher, it's going to require a little bit more effort or a little bit more strengthening around the core stabilizers. So I'm going to bring my arms just diagonally out to the side for now and securing my feet so that I have a perfect footprint under my feet. Pressing into my feet gently, allowing the pelvis and spine to roll vertebra by vertebra up, and then rolling vertebra by vertebra down until the tail comes down. And then again, peeling the spine off, articulating vertebra by vertebra down. And when I choose to suspend and hold the position midway or all the way up, that's when I'm fully engaged and stabilizing. And of course, there's some parts of the core and the muscles that are strengthening as I hold this position. And then slowly lowering. Yeah. Thank you.